Hello my people, welcome again to Glatory. On my today's video, I'll take you through how you can make your own ginger milk tea. This is another easy recipe. So this ginger milk tea is infused with cinnamon and green cardamom. It has a lot of health benefit. All you need to do is to sit back and watch, and I know you can do it afterwards. Okay, this is perfect for warming your day. Very perfect, and I hope you can give it a try. So here I'm using dehydrated ginger, 200 grams of dehydrated ginger. I'll be putting it on my blender to blend it. So I added 3 sticks of cinnamon and some few pieces of green cardamom. I'll be blending all to powdery. And see, it's already powdery form. I'll be adding my powdered sugar and my cocoa powder and powdered milk, and I'll be blending it again for 5 minutes so that they will all mixed up. So remember, if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. This is Glatory channel, where you will learn a lot of things and how you can get a lot of things done on your own. Please make sure you subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. Okay, thank you. So now I'm done with the blending. I'm gonna be sieving it. So it's important you have to sieve it because there must be a chaff. So make sure you sieve it, or else your milk will be full of chaff. You can see the chaff. You can see. So I'll be pouring it on my bowl. You can see it came out so well. Even the color is perfect. So just as I told you, if you can do it, why do you need to buy? At least you're sure of what you are putting inside your body. This is very important, that you have to take good care of your health. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? Rely on the store-bought one. You can see we made our own ginger milk tea. It's full of flavor. The aroma is to another level. Okay, hope you get to try this. This is so good. There is no nonsense, no preservative, no addictive inside. All natural with natural spices. So tell me why you can't try this. So now I'll be trying it out. You can see it's easy to dissolve and it tastes so good with so much spice of the ginger. So now make sure you store it on airtight container and keep it where it's safe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Thank you. Subscribe, comment, share.